In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passport photo in Photoshop with ease and precision. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to produce a professional quality photograph that meets all the necessary specifications. So, let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you have your portrait photo ready. It's crucial that the person in the photo is facing the camera with a plain background, preferably white or light-colored, and that the lighting is appropriate and even. This will help you achieve the best results and avoid unnecessary complications later on. Now, let's create a new document suitable for the passport photo dimensions you need. Click on File and then New to start. At this step, you'll need to set the width and height based on the specific requirements of the photo. For instance, in the United States, common guidelines dictate a size of 2 inches by 2 inches. However, in some other countries, you might need to use dimensions like 35 mm by 45 mm. The exact size depends on where the photo will be used, so make sure to check the rules applicable to you. It's also vital to set the resolution to a high value, such as 300 pixels per inch, to ensure good print quality. With your new document set up, it's time to move your portrait into it. Drag or copy your image into the new document. You'll need to resize and position it so that the face sits centrally, meeting the required guidelines for head height from the top of the hair to the chin. Be mindful that different countries have specific proportions for these measurements, so double-check what you need. If necessary, you can crop or trim parts of the image to make sure it fits neatly within the new canvas size you've defined. For precise adjustments, use the Edit menu and select Free Transform, or simply press Ctrl or CMD with T. This handy tool allows you to scale the image while maintaining its proportions. Don't forget to hold the Shift key if needed, depending on your version of Photoshop, ensuring that the proportions remain intact. Next, take a good look at the background and overall quality of the photo. Your background should be uniform with no visible shadows or distracting objects. If you need to refine the background, Photoshop offers options like Select and Subject, or the Quick Selection tool. These features can help you gently isolate the subject and enhance the background to achieve that clean, professional look. Finally, it's time to export or save your photo. For printing purposes, saving the image as a JPEG or TIFF at high quality with the required size and resolution is advisable. However, if you need the photo for a digital submission, check that the file meets the necessary pixel dimensions and file size, as some countries or websites have specific limits. And there you have it. A step-by-step path to creating a high-quality, regulation-ready passport photo easily and effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck with your project.